On a side note, some of my videos are touching on knife safety, so I suggest, especially for the kids, you get them cooking, get the chef's stainless steel glove. With this glove on, you have full protection. No cuts, no issues. I like it, it works, and wow, it protects. That's what it's all about, safety. Yeah, made in America, made in USA, only at your sponsor right there. Yeah, check it out. Get cooking. Have a great day. Thank you for watching another video, and make sure to press play, find your favorites, and don't forget, subscribe. Never miss one of the chef's videos. Gonna learn a lot of things on this channel, save money, live longer, eat healthy. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. The sponsor can help you with selection, sizing, base colors, discounts, free shipping, no tax, and even installation. One of the few companies left that actually provides customer service and can help you to improve the look and function of your new kitchen. Call them now. All right, check out the sponsor. They've got free shipping, no tax most areas, and they give you discounts. This is the best stuff there is. Subscribe right here. Check out the sponsor over there in the links, and call the sponsor with any questions you have. They are experts. Combined, they have over 50 years of butcher block experience. Installation, staining, finishing, wood choices, kitchen designers, builders, and hotels, restaurants from around the world do business with the sponsor. Give them a call. Or the best vanilla beans, extracts, vanilla powder, vanilla seed specks. Get all that stuff at your sponsor. It's the best. Yeah. Don't forget to check out the butcher blocks, islands, tables, bars, counters, cutting boards while you're there. Oh yeah, let's get cooking. Have a great day. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. Wow. I like it. Don't forget to score all of your maintenance products at the sponsor as well. Cutting board maintenance is so important. Follow these tips. Finished stew, touch of parsley. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Thanks for watching. Get cooking and have a great day. Yeah, check it out. Get cooking. Have a great day. Roll them up tight. Beautiful. Fresh chopped oregano. Yeah. We've got garlic, tomatoes, onions, roasted peppers, asparagus, a bunch of other interesting things on here. I like to finish with a little bit of the fresh oregano, as well as a dusting of fresh grated Parmigiano Reggiano mixed with Pecorino Romano. Yeah. How's that look? Drop a comment. And as usual, yeah, you see that? It's perfect. Like a crispy cracker. That right there is what I'm looking for. No leaks. Perfection. Excellence in every bite. Learn from the chefs. Get cooking. Have a great day. Oh, yeah. It's gonna be good. By the way, this glove stops knives. Nothing is gonna cut me. And little chains, all hand welded, made in America. Check out your sponsor there, okay? So here we go. First, I'm gonna go right in half. Oh yeah, nice perfect cut. Beautiful pair. Then I'm gonna do some quick slices. Just like this. I ended up with about 20 slices there. I was hoping for 25. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes, many styles, all made in the USA.